Hello everyone, and welcome to my video. This will be instead of Mac tip number 4 this week. I may be able to record one if I think of any ideas which I can do for a new Mac tip, but this will probably be instead. So I'll start you off with my tour of iLife. And this is iLife 09, and I'll just quickly go through all the applications in the suite and tell you a few of the new stuff that's been added. So we'll start off with iMovie, and iMovie 08 was okay for me. I never really used 06, so I didn't know if it was better or worse, and well, in my opinion it was okay. It wasn't the best, but it did a job for me. So I'll just get rid of this. I was playing around with it earlier. So a couple of bits to add at the start is you've got the new drag and drop feature. As you can, it's like a precise editor. Say you've got some footage and they can drag and drop it more easily than 08, which is a good feature. You've got precise editing, which you can edit like little tiny chunks. Rather than deleting a few seconds of the clip, you can do a few milliseconds. Another good feature which you've got is image stabilization. Which, if I just select the whole clip there, I'll go File, Analyze for stabilization. Oh, sorry, can't speak. And it analyzes it. As you can see, there's only 11 seconds there, and it's taking forever really to do it, but you can tell the difference, and I think it is worth it. So I'll probably use it if I start doing more videos with like a camcorder or something. I'd probably use it then, but hopefully they can bring out a update for it. So I'll just cancel that because I don't need that to do. You've got maps, where you can add, it's like a title, kind of like an effect. Trying to find one for you here to show you really. It's at the end, sorry, maps and backgrounds, and you can add, say, old world globe. You just drop that in there at the top. It just loads the map up. It's kind of like a transition, but it's more of a title. And so you can have these running like when you add video to them, etc. And you can add the effects, the duration, start location, which I'll just put London, England. Don't want to give my address away too easy. I'll do Buckingham Palace, say. I'll do Hyde Park, say. So you just go OK, and then your end location if you want it. I'll have it in Paris. I don't mind. And then you click done. So when you start, it will go, and it will go over to Paris.
Everyone, and this is Mac tip number 3.
And then start your video off. So that's really good. Say you've been on holiday. Oh, sorry about that. Really good to say you've been on holiday, or you just want to show your family where you've been or your friends. That's another good feature. And yeah, that's really it for iMovie 09. But it's really good. It's got the same exporting options as 08. So that's good, not much changed, and it brings your events down, stuff like that. So it really just gives you the updates. It don't really change a lot to the interface or nothing, so that's good. I keep saying that's good, but it is really good. So, and then iPhoto 09, which has added a lot of. So in iPhoto 09 you've got the same layout as you had in 08, and I'm only doing it zoomed in, guys, because there's event at the bottom and a few pictures and faces that of friends and that didn't really want to be in the video, so I just had to re-put this bit in. What I'd like to show you today is the few new features in iPhoto 09, which are really good features. So if I go to the bottom first, start off at the bottom, you've got obviously still got your slideshows. I'll start off on the left actually. You've got merge, which I don't know how to use actually. You've got edit, which is more advanced editing, but still simple, so a lot of people like it. you've got your themed slideshows, which are really good this time. I don't use slideshows as much as other people, but I do like to put them on every now and again if I'm just relaxing, or I don't know, listening to music. And I don't know, just, if I'm not on the computer really, I'll just put one on probably. You've got your keepsakes where you can make like photo albums. And then a new feature which you've got are upload compatibilities. And for these, you can upload to mobile and Wii Gallery, update to Facebook and Flickr, and even with your mail. So that's a lot better, it's a lot easier. So you go up and you've got your thumbnails in events, which obviously people know about, and you've got your information there. And this is good because it can show you if enter event location. I haven't done this yet on this one on purpose for you. So I'll just click London, England, and as you can see it puts it on the map there, which is really good, and that's a good feature. And that was places, and obviously it's built in with Google Maps, so there's places there. And you've got your thumbnails, which if you hover over, you can have a look at your pictures quickly without going into the event, which I thought was a nice feature. And obviously up there you've got your faces, which I'll show in another video, but like I said, I've got other people in them that don't want to be in, so I'm sorry guys. And you just saw faces, so places, sorry, so you know how that works. So that was iPhoto 9, thank you. And then the last couple aren't really, I don't use as much as other people do, but you may use them yourself, because I know a couple of my friends use iWeb. So it starts up. I really haven't used this, to be honest, in 08, so I don't know much different. But as you can see, yeah, I was going to say this as well, you can add widgets now, which is good, I suppose, for web editors. So you can add better designs, and you can manage your publish, it says on the website. So that seems okay. Just give me your feedback if you use iWeb 09, because I don't really use it, see if you like the new one. And then another big step is GarageBand 09. And I found this to be quite good myself actually. For saying I'm not into music in the sense of like playing it or editing it as much as movies or pictures. You can have lessons, and you get one guitar lesson and one piano lesson with the iLife suite. And you can go onto a lessons store, which is kind of like the iTunes store, but you can, they've only got a few selection at the minute. I don't know about the Americans, but the English have only got a few selections at the minute. As you can see, you got Apologise by One Republic, that's piano advanced. And for $3.95, I suppose if I liked playing the piano or the guitar, I think it won't be so bad because you get to keep it forever. So that's a really good feature, and you can do the same as you used to be able to as well, like create podcasts, iPhone ringtones, Magic GarageBand, and yeah, that's it really. So that was just my quick overview of iLife 09 and what I thought was better in the new versions, and just telling you really a few of the new tips and tricks they've added. Hopefully, like I said, the update the image stabilization in iMovie, because then I think a lot more people would be using it. Because at the minute, as you saw, for 11 seconds that was ridiculous. But yeah, hopefully they'll update that soon. Okay guys, I'll see you on my next video. Thanks a lot for watching.